the door. Which kind of darkness I can hold? So I love the key, and I forget each year until she opens, and I'm told what I can't ignore anymore. I see her everywhere without thinking, but she's here somewhere, hiding in the darkness, holding what's inside my head. There's a battle between me and my past. I wanna stop looking back. The room with a sword and a face. She knows every corner of my shape. The red door has multiple faces, and the graves haven't forget. She needs souls to feel her hurt, but whenever I'm here next to her, she won't open unless I meet her. And I'm still scared of a monster under my bed. See now, everything feels logical. Oh, she ain't here anytime. Oh, she is here in my mind. The red door has finally crossed the line. I feel everything and nothing at the same time. So for one last time, what hides behind the red door? Which kind of darkness I can hold? So I love the key, and I forget each year until she opens, and I'm told what I can't ignore anymore. I see her everywhere without thinking, but she's here somewhere, hiding in the darkness, holding what's inside my head. There's a battle between me and my past. I wanna stop looking back. The red door finally opened the door, and I was so open the door.